Welcome to another video in RoboTalker's how-to tutorial series. Let's learn how to upload groups of phone numbers for calls or simple texts. As seen below, phone numbers and contacts can be managed in the navigation bar. Groups can also conveniently be made for calls or texts within communication. So how do we upload new groups? Let's scroll down to the drag and drop CSV file here. Phone number templates as well as data-driven templates may be used. Click your desired file and simply click Upload. Your new group will be shown under the Manage Group tab. Let's take a look at how to manage some of our contacts on this group. First of all, we've got an option to send single individual messages out to contacts. We can edit a specific contact, and we can simply delete a contact if need be. Contacts can also be added individually. Click on Name, Phone Number, as well as your desired group, and simply add your desired contact. It might be handy to copy or move a contact. Click the Select Contact to copy to do this. Click on your specific contact that you'd like to copy or move, as well as the desired group. There's also a great option to remove the old contacts from the group previously. As you can see, these two contacts have been moved to the Monday reminder group. And that's how to upload phone numbers and create groups. Thank you for watching. For any questions, reach out via the phone number on robotalker.com. We're here to help you succeed.